Joker, you're welcome. It's not a buy yet. It's not a buy. I haven't done my analysis yet. You're welcome. If you're just joining us here live, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome. Alright, guys, we need to set up. I need to set up the system. I need to set up the system. If you can hear me, please comment on the drop a comment on the comment section that you can hear me. Drop a comment on the comment section that you can hear me. If you cannot hear me, drop a comment on the comment section that you cannot hear me. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please drop it on the comment section. If you can hear me, chat, can you hear me loud and clear? I need you guys to use the comment section. I need you guys to please use the comment section. Very important. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, chat. Good morning, everybody. You are welcome to this live. Nkulani. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome to this chat. All right, you're welcome. You are welcome here. If you are new here, we do trading. We trade here, we analyze the market, we analyze the forex market, and then we have live mentorship. All right, we have live mentorship. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Kojo, Dami, you're welcome, guys. I think you guys are the first to join this live. So you are welcome. So on this live here is where we trade forex live, guys. We trade forex live here. We run live analysis here on forex. We do forex mentorship, and we drop live signals here. So if this is the first time you are seeing my live, then you need to do something good for yourself. Hit that follow button. Hit that follow button so that anytime I'm on live, you're going to get a notification that I'm on live. Live signals, live analysis, live mentorship. So even if you're a newbie, if you're a new trader, this is the right place for you. This is the right place for you. You know how we do it. Before I leave the live, I'm going to drop some amazing content for you, especially if you want to be profitable in forex. Offer, you are welcome. Precious, you're welcome. Sean Paul, you are welcome. You're welcome, guys. So this is where we do it live, guys. This is where we do it live. We'll trade live here. We run live mentorship here, and then if you have any question, yeah, you can enter. Michael, you're welcome. He said your trade yesterday was a flop. How was it a flop, Michael? Yeah, obviously trade reversed, so we're going to do the analysis on that one, why it went back. So the trade failed, obviously. So you're welcome, Michael, you're welcome. You're welcome, everybody. We entered the USD trade and it hit SL. Alright. Yeah. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you are just joining, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you're just joining newly, you still they ask me how it is a flop. Obviously, the market retraced, and there are two things you will have done if you have SL1. And number two, if you placed, when the market moved, you put your SL to entry to break even. And I vividly remember when I said, when I was about to leave, that you should place your SL into entry. Michael, please tell the chat, did I say that or not? Put your SL to entry. So I need you to understand something, especially Michael. Because here we do education. It's very, very important that we do education here. So I want you to understand something. You see, no matter how good you are as a trader, no matter how perfect you are as a trader, trade will always go the way it wants to go. A trade will always go where it wants to go. So I have my reasons for analysis. I did my analysis. I put my stop loss where it's supposed to be. And when the stop loss hit, go back and check the chart. You will see that the market change. Okay? Market change. So that is just it. Market went up past entry. What I did was just believe that I could recover, but I didn't. You see, you are still making mistake. Okay, you are still making mistake, Michael. Okay, I had a first entry. I showed you guys the first entry. You know what? We are going to have our live analysis here. I'm going to show you everything, so we don't need to be arguing. There's a reason why you are on live, actually, because you also want to learn. What I believe you should have just said is you ask what happened, why did the trade not go the way we wanted. It's just simple. All right, it's just simple. We are here to learn. We are here to We are here to learn. We are here to gain a lot of knowledge. We are here to analyze. All right. So until you understand that, oh, this is what we are doing, this is where we are doing, all right, this is what we are doing in the market, this is the particular currency pair we are trading, then we are good. All right. So trust me, Michael, just stick to this live. All right, I'm going to give you the whole reason for analysis, and then if you trade and you really are a trader and you understand the chart and I explain to you what happened in the market, I believe we are going to be on the same boat. So thank you. All right, if you are just joining us live, you're welcome. Hit that follow button, because every morning like this I am on live, and we do three things basically. We trade, all right, we drop signals, we have mentorship where we teach. So if you're a new trader, this is the best place for you. So hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. I also will appreciate it, because it's going to increase. Yeah, thank you so much. You're welcome. I really do appreciate. Badiru Badamasi, very, very, thank you so much. All right, you're welcome. Thank you so much. So today is another good day. Today is Wednesday, the 29th of October 2025. So you're welcome, guys. You are welcome. All right, so let's quickly go back to USD South African Rand, USD South African Rand, USD ZAR. So let's have our analysis and let us explain the things that basically happened under USD ZAR. Let's have a lot of explanation. All right, guys. So Michael, please be good. I would like you to be here. I want you to be here with me, because you are one of my number one engagements right now. All right. All right. So I need you to be here, please. Michael, are you in the chats? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, wherever you are. Good morning. All right. So let's talk about what happened yesterday. About the trade which we took yesterday. All right. So let's head down to 1 hour and see. Let's head down to 1 hour and see what we got. Alright, so you are welcome if you are just joining us. If this is the first time you are here, we run live mentorship here. All right, we run live mentorship, we trade forex live. We run live mentorship, we trade forex live, we drop live signals, guys. So you are welcome if you are just joining us for the first time. You are welcome, guys. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Please hit that follow button if you're just joining us for the first time. Hit that follow button, guys. If you're just joining us for the first time, hit that follow button so that you can get notification anytime and I'm on live. So that you are going to get notification anytime I am on live. Yes. All right, guys. Alright, guys, if you are new here, I want you to hit that like button. If you are new here, I need you to hit that like button. Hit that like button, guys, if you are new here. If you are new here, hit that like button. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button if you are new here. You're welcome, guys. If you are new here, hit that like button. If you are new here, I need you to hit that like button. You know, as you do it here, this is the place you are going to get the best mentorship, live signals here also, and here also is where we do live trading. So you are welcome if you are just joining. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. If you are just joining us, hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. So you're welcome once again. Okay, so let's run our analysis, quick one, because I'm seeing some potential sells on USD ZAR right here. I'm looking at some potential USD ZAR. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, please drop it on the comment section. Okay, drop it on the comment section. All right, so thank you guys. Thank you. If you are just joining, hit that follow button. Guys, to join us. So let's quickly talk about what happened yesterday. All right, on our trade. So our trade was not successful yesterday. All right, and why was it not successful? All right, let's go down to the higher time frame, which is the 4 hours. Okay, this is the 4 hours here, and if you pay proper attention, you can see that from the 4 hours here we have what we call a breakout. All right, we had what we call a breakout, which means price was no longer going. Price decided to take a U-turn. All right, price was no longer going our direction, so it was time for a breakout. So this is what we have here. All right, you can see price already forming and getting ready to, breakout. We have a breakout. This is a retest and continuation here. So under 4 hours now, we have a trend change. The trend has actually changed, guys. And then under 1 hour here, let's go down to 1 hour and see what we have. So what am I looking for under 1 hour right now? I'm looking for either 1 hour or the 30 minutes candle to close. So if I have my 1 hour or 30 minutes candle closing bearish, especially strong bearish, I am going in for a sell, guys. I am going in for a proper sell. Alright, I am going in for a proper sell. So we have a support here, which I am expecting it to break. Yeah, it has broken it, but I want it to break and close. I want it to break and close. That's what I'm expecting. So if I get a break and close in the next 3 minutes, if I get a break and close in the next 3 minutes, then we are all good to go. Alright, if you are just joining for the first time, you are welcome. This is where we trade Forex live. We trade live here. We drop live signals. So you need to hit that follow button, guys. You need to hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. Hit that follow button if you are just joining us live. Hit that follow button and make sure you like this live. Hit that follow button and turn on the notification. Turn on the notification so that anytime I'm on live, you are going to get a notification that I'm on live, and then we are going to be here analyzing together, trading the markets together. Welcome, guys. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So if this is your first time here, you get premium mentorship on Forex. You get premium mentorship on Forex if you are here live with me. We do Forex training. We drop live analysis here. And then if you're a new trader here, all right, I'm going to explain to you the proper way for you to learn Forex. The proper way for you to learn Forex, the easiest way and the best way so far for you to learn Forex. So it's going to be an awesome ride, guys. It's going to be an awesome ride. So I have 2 minutes more for the candle to close. I'm looking at a sell signal here on USD ZAR. Alright, so let me quickly drop my signal for a sell. So guys, make sure you apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management when you are trading. Always be cautious. So I am looking at a sell. There is no sell yet, guys. There is no sell yet. So make sure you are careful. Make sure you trade with proper risk management. So let us see. Alright, so if you are just joining, guys, hit that follow button, because you need to have me on live. So anytime I'm on live, you are going to receive a notification that I'm here live. So you're welcome, guys. If you're just joining for the first time, you're welcome. You are welcome. All right, so we don't have a candle close yet. All right, we don't have a candle close yet. This obviously did not close well. Under 1 hour, it did not close well. So this is trying to be very tricky. All right, this is trying to be very, very tricky right now. This is trying to be very tricky. It should have been a clear break. All right, which pair is this? This is USD South African Rand, Harley FX, Kendrill, you're welcome. This is USD South African Rand. We are analyzing it. We are analyzing it here, and I'm actually waiting for a signal to show up. I'm actually analyzing it, waiting for it to drop here to this place. So we are having some analysis on it. So let's wait and watch. All right. So if you are just joining for the first time, you're welcome. You are welcome. Hit that follow button. You need to follow me, because every morning 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm always here dropping live signals. We do live training here, live mentorship on Forex. For if you're a new trader, I'm going to teach you how to trade from scratch. If you are an old trader and you're having some challenges, you're having some issues, this is the right place for you to drop your question in the comment section. Obviously, I'm going to attend to them. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, guys. You are welcome. All right, so what are we looking at on USD ZAR now? So let me quickly run this analysis again for anyone joining for the first time. If you are joining for the first time, and you are a new trader, please hit that follow button. You need to hit that follow button, guys. When you hit that follow button, you're going to receive your notification that I am live every morning. And once I'm live every morning, you're going to get free signals, free education. All right. And here I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain to you how this Forex market is being done live. All right. Not as a gambler, but as a trader. Not as a gambler, but as a trader. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome if you're just joining. And then if you're an existing trader, you want to trade, I drop live signals here, guys. Live signals is what I drop here. All right. And then we do live mentorship. Then if you have any currency pairs you want me to analyze here, we're going to analyze it live. All right. Currently right now we are analyzing the USD South African Rand, that is USD ZAR. So let me drop that at the top here. The USD ZAR. Let me drop that so that we would know. Please, I want to start trading, but I don't know how to start. All right. So Umar, you're welcome. You want to start trading, but you don't know how to start, then obviously you need to hit that follow button and follow me. If you're a new trader also and you want to start trading, you don't know how to start, you are confused, hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button, because you are going to, before the end of this live, I'm going to explain to you how you are going to start, and it's going to be amazing. All right, Olamide Wealth, will $10 be enough to start trading? The answer is absolutely not. All right, absolutely not. Take it from me. In Nigeria, if you try to trade with $10, I assure you, it's not going to work. I'm going to be honest with you. Please, Olamide Wealth, so do not start trading with $10, okay? Market don't hit me bad from yesterday night to this morning. Oh. So sorry about that, but honestly, that is how Forex is. Maybe I can flip it. Olamide Wealth, you are welcome, but if you are here and you believe that you want to flip an account, this is not the right channel for you. We don't do flipping here. We trade Forex like a businessman. We trade forex like a businessman. There is a difference between gambling and trading. Honestly, there is a difference between gambling and trading. All right, if you are here with the mindset that probably when you drop $100 you flip it to 200, this is the wrong place for you. Just live the life. Because here we trade like a businessman. All right, you need to treat forex like business. All right, so if you are getting a lot of content and you want to trade forex for a long time, all right, you want to trade forex and enjoy forex for a long time, hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button. Hit that follow button. Hit that follow button to follow me, so that you are going to get amazing content like this. All right, I trade live. I do mentorship here live. If you are a new trader, I'm going to, before the end of this live, I'm going to drop you where you are going to go, and then you are going to start your journey live. And if the good thing is, it is absolutely free. It is absolutely free of charge. Let me tell you guys, I want if you are an existing trader here, I want you to back me up. All right, Highly FX, you have been trading, so I want you to back me up. Anybody here on the chat, please, I want you to back me up what I'm about to say. The best forex mentorship is free. Am I right? All right. The best mentorship is free. The best forex mentorship is free. All right. The best forex mentorship is what I'm about to drop here now. Look at it. So if you are a new trader, look at my screen. I can't call it out because of censorship. All right, if you're a new trader, look at my screen right now. This is where you are going to go to. This is the best so far. There is no successful forex trader who doesn't know this place. All right, so if you're a new trader and you want to learn, all right, so this is what I want you to do. Step 1, go to that place that you are looking at on the screen. All right, once you are there, once you have registered, you have gotten yourself sorted, start and be consistent. Then when you have any question, join me here live 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Drop your question. All right, drop anything that is confusing you there, and then I'm going to answer you exactly. All right, so that is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to demystify anything you have, any question you have based on what you see there, anything that is confusing you, maybe terminologies or something that is there that is, you can't really wrap your head around. And that is how you are going to learn. All right, that is exactly how you are going to learn. All right, so if you are just joining for the first time, you are welcome. Hit that follow button. All right, hit that follow button. All right, so Ashley Media said most folks, they sell course on the long run. You guys continue yourself. Okay, so I'm not saying that selling course is bad. All right, but let me tell you what selling courses is going to do. See, selling courses without mentorship is where most people make mistake. All right, if you are getting a course from someone, make sure the person is your mentor. All right, make sure the person is your mentor. All right, if you are just joining for the first time, please hit that follow button. Guys, please keep tapping the like so that this place is going to be lively. Please keep tapping the like. If you know that you are getting content from here, tap that like, please. Tap that like button and then hit that follow. All right, so if you are buying a course, make sure you follow the mentor. All right, because the reason why he's giving you the course is not because everything is explaining there is not for free, but he has discovered some things. He has discovered some few nuggets that has made him more successful. That is why you are going to hear something like, oh, I found my edge. Find your edge in forex. All right, the reason why you are getting the course, guys, please listen, the reason why you are buying a course is because you want to get an edge. All right, you want to just get an edge in the forex market. That is all. Forex training, to get everything about forex is free, is on the internet. You can get it from the YouTube University. But because if you don't want to make the same mistake that your mentors made when they started, that is why you are getting their course. They're just telling you that, oh, this is my journey, these are the things that I tried and I failed, I tried again, I failed, I tried again till I got it perfect. Alright, let me arrange all these things inside a video or a book. Now follow it. Do you think all these chart patterns, all these Fibonacci, all these trend lines just popped up out of the blue? No. Somebody sat down and was looking at the forex market, was trying again and again and again and again, then discovered something that is consistent, tried it and made money, and be like, oh, I think this thing, you know, the probability that it makes money is about maybe 51%, so a little bit high. All right, why don't I make money out of it? Let me give it to other people too. As I'm making money here, let me make money there too. All right, that is the whole idea. So forex mentorship is not, you know, paying for mentorship is the best. You know, paying for books or paying for courses is not bad also, but make sure you are following the mentor and make sure the mentor is successful. All right, so if you are just joining for the first time, welcome guys, welcome. I really appreciate you. Hit that follow button, because here is where we do live mentorship. Here we drop live signals. All right, here if you have any currency pairs you want me to analyze, I'm going to drop it here. So you're welcome guys. Hit that follow button, hit that like button, hit it to be on fire, so that it's going to help the algorithm. You're welcome guys. All right, so I'm actually talking about, so if you're a new trader, you want to learn how to trade, you don't know where to start. All right, just look at my screen. This is where you are supposed to start. All right, this is where you are going to start. All right, Talon Kingsley, you're welcome. Good morning. Hit that follow button if you're just joining. So back to our analysis on USD ZAR. I have been looking at this currency pair for a while now. I actually trade gold, but I have been looking at this currency pair for a while now, and I've been looking at how it moves. All right, I'm looking at how it moves, and now we are under 1 hour. Let me head down to 30 minutes, and if I can get a break here, I think we are going to fall. I think USD ZAR is going to fall. All right, so this is my analysis. Let me go back to the top and drop my analysis for you guys. Please, if you are joining for the first time, you are welcome. Here is where we trade live training, live mentorship, and then we drop live signals. All right, so live signals is going to be coming up real soon. So looking at what we have here, let's go down to the bigger time frame, top down analysis. All right, top down analysis. If you are just joining for the first time, you're welcome. Now you can see that USD ZAR has been on a range. Okay, this is a big ass range, guys. And the thing is, I have just been waiting. I'm waiting for a very good confirmation, because say there is something I've actually discovered also. When you have a big range, when market has been on a big range for a very long time, expect a big fall also. All right, expect a big fall. So it's either it's going to be falling down huge, or it's going to be going back up huge. All right, so with this knowledge now, we know what we are going to do. So if you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome. Hit that follow button. Here we trade live, so I drop live signals, live mentorship. I do live mentorship here. All right, we talk about currency pairs here live, and a lot of other freebies. So let me head down to 1 hour. So I'm looking at a clean break, okay, under 1 hour. If I can get a clean break under 1 hour, then I am good. All right, so let me get down to 30 minutes also. So let's see what is going to happen under 30 minutes here. All right, let's see what is going to happen under 30 minutes here. Okay, so guys, if you want real mentorship, real forex mentorship, all right, and you're a beginner, Hit here, guys. Hit here. Hit here. Start your journey. So this is for beginners. All right. If you are a beginner, all right. So let me write it there for beginners. All right. So don't be confused by what you see on the social media or the internet. All right. Don't be confused. Start here. This is the best place for you to start. All right. So this is perfect for beginners. This is perfect for beginners. All right. Perfect for beginners. All right. So guys, please keep hitting that like button. Keep hitting that like button. If you are getting good content from here, keep hitting that like button, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. If you are just joining for the first time, you're welcome. So a signal on USD ZAR is going to be dropping soon. All right, it's going to be dropping soon, and I'm going to explain how it's done. Tag Long Kingsley, I want to join your team, bro. You're already here. This is what we do here live. All right, okay, just keep dropping your question on the comment section, guys. If you have any question about forex, question about anything, drop it on the comment section. Now today I'm going to be talking about something very, very important, guys. I'm going to be talking about something very, very important, and I will tell you the reason why $100, $200, $300 is not good for you to start trading. Quote me anywhere. $100, $200, $300 is not good for you to start trading. I'm going to explain, guys. I'm going to explain. But guys, just keep hitting that like button, and if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. This is where you hear the truth. All right, this is where you hear the truth. Okay, except for social media, you will hardly see any successful forex trader that will tell you that, hey, I made my first million flipping $100. Think about it, guys. Think about it. Forex is business. Until you start treating forex as business, then you're not ready to become successful. Quote me anywhere, guys. All right, Ramsey said, don't you have Telegram channel? Not yet. All right, not yet. I really enjoy sharing my ideas, mentorship here live. So it's going to come. It's going to come. Everything takes time, so it's going to come. All right. So for signals, I drop my signals here live. So if you are joining for the first time, you are welcome. Hit that follow button so that anytime I'm on live, you are going to see a notification that I'm on live. All right, so this is what we have here. Let's go down to gold. Let's see what gold is doing here. Let's see what gold is doing, guys. Wow, gold has moved. Gold has moved really much. All right, so let's quickly drop a top down analysis on gold. If you are just joining here live, guys, if you are joining here live, please hit that follow button. All right, so this is gold. You're welcome. Which trading app are you using? For trading, for analysis, I use TradingView. All right, for analysis I use TradingView. For trading I use CTrader and MT5. Yes, MT5. Yes. So guys, hit that follow button. Guys, this is the best place to get the best content on forex. All right, I drop free signals here. We talk about forex. I tell you the fact, the truth about forex. All right. Okay, so you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, guys. Omololo MT4 demo. Do you use MT4 demo? Do you make use of MT4 demo? So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. If you're just joining for the first time, you are welcome here. Here is where we drop. 1 minute, guys. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, I think I got it. All right, awesome. All right, so let's do a top-down analysis. On gold. On the daily, we have huge movement on gold, guys. We have huge movement on gold here. All right, we have huge movement on gold. So gold actually tapped and rejected the 38.86. all right, gold. Yes. So let's go down to 4 hours and see what we have under 4 hours on gold here. So we have a resistance here on gold. All right, awesome. We have a resistance here on gold, guys, and the resistance is at 4012. all right, 4012. This is what we have on gold. By the way, guys, if you are just joining for the first time, you are welcome. We do 3 things here. We drop live signals, live mentorship for new and existing forex traders. All right, and then you drop your currency pair that you trade on the chat. All right, drop it on the comment section and then analyze it. So you need to hit that follow button to follow me, so that every morning that I'm here, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT, you're going to get a notification that I'm on live. Then you join on live. All right, okay. So this is where you learn how to trade the proper way, guys, the proper way. All right, so let's go to this is 4 hours. All right, this is 4 hours. So under 4 hours, we can see the 4 hours time frame going up. All right, it's going up to the 4011 resistance here. 4011 resistance here. So let's see if it's going to get there. But before that, let's head down to 1 hour. All right, because it's under 1 hour that we're going to see what is really happening. All right, so what time frame? This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. All right, so it's so nice that gold has moved very much. Gold has moved quite much here. So let's see if gold is going to tap the 4011 resistance here. All right, 4011 resistance. Okay. Let us see. Okay, so now what can we anticipate on gold? What can we anticipate on gold here? No, so the first thing is on the 4 hours and 1 hour, gold has been bullish. All right, so if gold is bullish, except it gets to this resistance, what I'm going to be expecting from gold, all right, is gold should form a market structure for me to buy down to this, up to this resistance, all right, up to this resistance. Triple sentiment, is this today's trade? Yes, this is gold here. This is gold for today. So you are welcome. Hit that follow button, hit that follow button. Gold trader, hit that follow button, hit that follow button. Every morning we analyze the forex market here. Every morning we trade gold live here. So you need to hit that follow button, hit that follow button, hit that like button, guys. We do 3 things here, most important. We drop signals, we analyze charts, and then we do mentorship. So if you are a new trader here, and you are confused, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start, drop that in the comment section, guys. Drop that in the comment section. I'm going to show you how you are going to do that. So back to gold here. Gold has actually moved, and then gold moved quite much. All right, gold really moved quite much. Anticipating gold to get to 4011. All right, Gideon, can I enter now? No. All right, no, you cannot enter now. Please do not enter. All right, now what is going to make us to enter? All right, what is going to be our signal for entry? Let me explain. This is going to be our signal for entry, guys. Okay, our signal is we are going to wait for the price to retest. Now that we know we have a resistance here, okay, we have a resistance. We know that we have a resistance at 4011. All right, let's wait to see price form something like this. Let's wait to see if price can form something like this. If price can form something like this around here, then also form something like this. Okay, forgive my drawing, please. What time frame is this? Is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes, guys. Weird said, what is your strategy? My strategy is pure price action trading. All right, so if you are here, I trade pure price action, support and resistance. All right, so any other person that trades any strategy, you are going to understand me. So guys, if you are just joining us for the first time, I do 3 things here. Live trading, we do live trading here, we drop signals, and then we do live mentorship, both for new. If you are a new trader, you are confused, this is the best place for you. So hit that follow button now. Hit that follow button so that you get a notification anytime I'm on live every morning. I am here, I'm on live every morning. So hit that follow button to follow me, because you are going to be getting amazing content here. Amazing content, guys, about forex, not just about trading. Before I leave, I said something. I'm going to be explaining to you how you can use less than $100 to trade like a professional. All right, because I said before, I said if you are trading, if you're a forex trader, $300, $200, $100 is not good for you to start trading, and I'm going to tell you why. So before the end of this live, I'm going to explain to you why. All right, so hit that follow button, guys. Hit that follow button so that you get a notification anytime I'm on live. So this is gold here. This is gold. All right, this is gold here, guys. This is gold. All right, we are trading gold right now. All right, so hit that follow button, and then we are on 30 minutes. We are on 30 minutes time frame. So this is the condition that is going to make me to buy. All right, I'm going to see a bearish candle form, and then I'm going to see a bullish candle follow. All right, so once I see a bullish candle follow, then I know that price has took a rest. It's made a retracement. Now it's time for it to buy. All right, it's time for it to what? Buy. So do not enter any buy, guys. Do not enter any buy. It is not yet time to take any trade. All right, so if you are enjoying the content here, guys, hit that follow button, hit that follow button, hit that follow button, and then like this live. Okay, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. So there is no trade here, we just watch. So let's go back to USD South African Rand. So this is actually the pair that I've been looking at to see if we can get a signal. All right, this is the pair I'm actually looking at to see if we can get a signal. Okay, so if you are a new trader, I want you to go here. All right, I think you know baby peeps already. So I want you to go here, and then I want you to do something. If you are a new trader, first thing, hit that follow button, so that every morning when I'm here live, you can ask your questions. The next thing is I want you to go here. Okay, you can see for beginners, go here, and I want you to start your journey as a forex trader. Start your journey properly as a forex trader. Now, what is it going to do for you? It's going to teach you like a baby. All right, this place is going to teach you as if you're a baby. So it's going to show you exactly how you are supposed to trade. You understand? And then any question you have, I want you to come back to this live, and ask me those questions from what you have learned. Then I'm going to explain it to you for you to understand. This is how you are supposed to learn properly. All right, this is how you are going to learn properly as a forex trader. So if you're an existing forex trader, if you have any question, I want you to drop it in the comment section now. Guys, hit that like button, so that this place is going to be on fire. Hit that like button so that it's going to assist the algorithm. Thank you guys. So like I said, I read baby peeps and I can't analyze trade properly. Triple setting at. Okay, so when you mean you can analyze trade properly, can you tell me what are the things that you can't do? All right, I can actually help you. I can assist you on that. What are the things you can't do in terms of reading trade properly? All right, drop that in the comment section. Guys, if you are joining for the first time, hit that follow button. You need to follow me. This is the best place to get forex content, guys. This is the best place to get forex content. So hit that follow button, Guys, I said something that before I leave, I'm going to explain to you why you should not start forex trading with $100, $200, or $300. Don't do that, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. Don't do that. But I'm going to tell you how and what you are supposed to do, how you are going to start your trading journey with less than $100, like, getting an account with less than $100, and then trade like a professional trader. All right, so if you are in the chat session, if you have heard about PropFirm, I want you to hit that like button and then say yes, type yes in the chat. If you have heard about PropFirm, you know what PropFirm is. I want you to hit that like button and then say yes. Ben Muhammad, I have a question. Yes, drop your question in the comment section. By the way, if you are just joining here live, you're welcome. If you are joining here live, you're welcome. We do 3 major things here. I drop signals, I trade, and then I teach. So if you have questions, if you're a new trader, this is the right place for you for mentorship. All right, this is the right place for you for mentorship. I'm going to teach you how to trade from scratch like a baby. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, guys. All right, drop your question. If you have a question, drop your question in the comment section, guys. Alright guys, if you are in the chat and then you know what a prop firm is, say yes. Drop yes in the comment section. If you are just joining for the first time, you are welcome. This is the right place for you. Okay, one, please, we need top-down analysis. Alright, top-down analysis on USD ZAR. Ben Mohammed, do you need top-down analysis on USD ZAR? Ahmed Ali, you said yes, that's good. If you have heard about prop firm, I want you to drop yes in the comment section. Ben Mohammed, we are going to do top-down analysis on USD ZAR. In a minute. Alright, I just want to quickly explain something about prop firm. Alright, okay, good. I'm trading one now, sir. That is good. Zach, you need to hit that follow button. Guys. Hit that follow button. Bro, which are the best points to buy or sell? Talon Kingsley, are you talking about USD South African Rand? I need to know. Alright, so prop firm. I want to explain to you prop firm today, guys. So I am not promoting any prop firm, alright? But let me tell you something about trading which most of us need to understand. You see, for you to be able to be confident in trading, alright, you need to see results. For you to trade confidently as a forex trader, at least you need to see results. And when I mean result is, let's say for example you are a new trader, you know, you went through this place, alright. So guys, you can see that on the screen. You went through this place maybe for like 1 or 2 months. You took your time, you know, you went through the whole course, you know, you taught yourself, and then at the end of the day you are good. Then you entered demo, you joined my live for maybe like a month, you learned a lot of things, and then you started trading demo. You made some mistakes, you corrected yourself, you journal. Guys, you can see that after all this, probably you have spent like 5-6 months. I believe if you are learning any kind of vocational skill in 5-6 months, at least you should ask yourself, what are the results of what you have done? Am I right? Now, after doing all this, and then, you know, you might want to say, okay, let me just start trading live. Let me see if I'm making profit actually. All right? When you start attempting to trade, all right, and then probably you start with something like $20. All right? As a proper financial trader, you should not risk more than 2% of your capital. All right? 2% of $20. How much is that? 2% of $20. How much is that? That should be like 2 cents. I think 2 cents. If you are risking 2 cents, how much do you want to make in the market? 5 cents. So how long are you going to do that in order to be a successful trader? All right? And let me tell you something. There is nothing like flipping account. All right? There is nothing like flipping account. It's not $2. It's not $2. All right? 2% of $20 is not $2. That should be 2 cents. So if you are flipping account in forex, you are not trading anymore. You are gambling. Because if you treat forex like a business and you are risking just $2 or 0.4 cents, all right, when are you going to enjoy being a trader? How long are you going to be making 0.4 cents, 0.5 cents? How many trades are you going to take in order to take that account to $500? Do you see how difficult it is? especially for those who are starting afresh, trading with small account. Before you know it, you start making some mistakes. All right, you start over trading, you start adding multiple lot sizes, you start over leveraging, you start becoming greedy. Do you know what happens then? You blow your account. And because you have done it before, you will try to do it again. You deposit again, you try to move it, but that time, that is where it gets worse, because now you are being afraid. Your first loss, everybody, you remember your first loss now. I believe most of you remember your first loss. You know how it is. Before you know it, you start blowing account and account over account. Next thing, you tell yourself that, oh, maybe it's because I'm trading with $20, let me save $200. You save $200, the fear is still in you. You start doing FOMO, you start doing all the mistakes, and then you start losing. Let me tell you guys, I want to ask a question, guys, in the chat. If you are here and then when you started Forex, you are making money. Immediately you started Forex and you are making money, I want you to say yes on the chat. It's called beginner's luck. I want you to remember that moment you are making money, you know, you are risking, you are doing it. It's called the beginner's luck. But once you break that beginner's luck, that's where the problem comes in. All right? All right? So once that beginner's luck fades, once the beginner's luck fades, what is going to happen? All right? Please talk about risk management and co. Yes, I'm getting to risk management also, because this is how you are going to understand how not to make mistake. See, let me tell you guys something about risk management. Young Presido, I want to explain something to you. $20. Let me ask you a question. If you make $20 in a day, all right, and then I don't know if you are a Nigerian, I want you to convert it right now. Right now, I want you to ask yourself, if you make $20 in a day, all right, is it okay for you? I'm not talking about spending it or anything, but as a forex trader, is $20 okay for you? I want you to drop that in the comment section. Like, you wake up, you entered your chart, and then you are able to make successfully $20 a day, every day. Do you think you are going to be greedy? Drop that in the comment section. I want to bring about a point. Now, if $20 is okay for you, and then you feel like, okay, it's good, $20 is okay. Now, do you know what is going to happen? At the back of your mind, if you have that capital, all right, if you have the capital to be able to pull $20 a day, all right, if you have the capital to pull $20 a day, you are not going to have problem following your risk management, period. You are not going to have a problem following your risk management. Why? Because when you take your trade, if you lose, and you remember that you made $20 yesterday, probably you lose $5 today, and you told yourself that once I lose $10, I'm going to stop trading. You see, you are not going to have the issue of, oh, my account is going down, oh, I want to over leverage, oh, I have some responsibility. No, you are going to be balanced. But if you don't have an account to pull $20 every day, that is where the problem comes from. All right, your mind will start forcing you to force trades so that you can make that $20. And if you want to make $20 a day, all right, you should be having something like $700, $800 in your account as equity. I'm telling you the fact. That is if you want to calculate the percentage. All right, 1% of $2,000 is $20. 1% of $2,000 is $20. That means a normal trader, you are supposed to have $2,000 in your account. Alright, which is not really possible, especially for we in this African country. Having $2,000 in your account, you are very, very rich. Now, this is where prop firm comes in. Alright, now prop firm are beginning to do what we call instant funding. Alright, instant funding. I love instant funding so much. There is one I have now, which is I think about $59 for $2,000. Yes. You see, with this now, if you are not a greedy trader, and you love to trade, I can assure you, and you follow their rule, you can make at least $10 without stress. $10 without stress. So everything boils down to risk management. What I'm saying right now is the core foundation of risk management. Young Presido. So if you are joining for the first time, please guys, hit that follow button. There is a lot of content, there is a lot of value that you can get in this life. Alright? So if you understand what I just explained now, please, I want you to hit that like button, and then say I understand. Say I understand. It is difficult. Alright? Let me summarize what I'm saying. It is absolutely difficult for you to use small equity to build your account. It is difficult. Alright? It is difficult. So the best thing you can actually do to yourself is get a prop firm. Get an instant funding prop firm. An instant funding is going to test you. Alright? And then if you know and you believe that you are worth it as a forex trader, you will be able to trade calmly, and then you withdraw your money calmly. Come on guys, that is why we have instant funding. Alright, that is why we have prop firms. Alright, so you're welcome guys, you're welcome. Hit that follow button guys, hit that follow button. There is a lot of amazing content here. Alright, so the best thing you can do for yourself, don't put $20 into forex guys. No, don't put $50 into forex. If you have $100, alright, withdraw, take like $40, spend it on yourself. Alright, take the remaining one, put it on instant funding. I'm talking about that instant funding guys. Look for instant funding, then begin to grow your account. Follow their rules. Then you will understand that forex trading is sweet. Alright, don't go online and see people that they will tell you that, oh, I flipped $10 into $50, then to $100. Alright, all these are not true. Alright, so Ben Mohammed said, what is instant funding? Alright, okay, let me explain. Instant funding comes from what we call prop firm, proprietary firm. Alright, so have you heard about prop firm before? Have you heard about prop firm? Have you heard about prop firm? Okay, so after this live, I would like you to go and search it on Google. The best thing I can do to you is, if you know how to use ChatGPT, alright, because there's a lot of things you need to understand. Alright, just use ChatGPT and ask, hey chat, what is a prop firm account? It's going to explain it to you very, very well, more than the way I'm going to explain it. Alright, now once you get it, once you understand it, then you are going to understand what I meant by instant funding. All right, because right now here I'm not promoting any prop firm or anything, but I'm just explaining one of the best ways you can actually be a profitable trader without stress. Please, I wish to connect with you one-on-one, bro. Please hit that follow button, and then drop a DM. I'm going to respond. Honestly, I'm going to respond. So thank you very much, guys. This is amazing. Please hit that like button, put that like button on fire if you are getting a lot of content on this live. Hit that like button, let it get on fire. If you are getting a lot of content, hit that like button, guys. All right, so we are looking at this USD ZAR, guys. And from what I can see here, there is no volume anymore. There is no volume because obviously, guys, we are supposed to have a downpour. All right, we are supposed to have a huge massive sell coming up, but because there's no volume in the market, I do not think we have a trade. Maybe during the New York session, we might have something coming up. So if you have any question in the comment section, guys, drop it in the comments, guys. If you have any question, guys, drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments, guys. If you have any question, guys, drop in the comment section. All right, on gold, we don't have anything. We don't have any much things on gold. Gold is just there. We don't have any much things on gold. Drop your questions, guys. Drop your questions in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much, guys. If you are just joining for the first time, hit that follow button, guys. Hit that like button to get the algorithm on fire. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Are we buying Dimples? No, we are not buying yet, so we are waiting. Hit that follow button, guys. Dimples, you're welcome. If you're just joining for the first time, we do 3 things here. We drop live signals, live mentorship, and then live trading. All right, live analysis. Okay, so those are the things we do here. You're welcome, guys. You are welcome. All right. So if you have any more questions, guys, drop it in the comment section. We're going to be ending the live in the next 6 minutes. We're going to be ending the live in the next 6 minutes. So if you have any question, guys, I will appreciate you. Drop it. Let's communicate. If you are a new trader and you want to learn to trade and you are confused, you don't know where to start. If you are a new trader and you don't know where to start, please check my screen right now. And then drop your question in the comment section. Guys. If you're an existing trader, you are confused, 1 or 2 things are happening, drop your question in the comment section, guys. Drop your question in the comment section, guys. Alright guys, see you same time tomorrow. See you same time tomorrow, guys. We had a wonderful session today, bro. The last time I trade, I started with $5 and I make $600 but lose it. Yeah, that is just it, bro. That is just it. You are not trading, you are just gambling. Let's just be honest. I'm not saying this in a bad way, but it's just gambling. All right, it's just gambling. So you either stop that, or if you enjoy the gambling and then when you get to a particular amount, you just have to stop, withdraw your money. But let me tell you guys, gambling doesn't pay in forex. I have tried it before also, it does not pay. All right, so Talong is high time you do it the proper way. Go through forex mentorship, pick up a prop firm. Trust me, this is the best thing you can do for yourself. If you are just joining for the first time, you're welcome, guys. Hit that follow button. Here we have live mentorship. We drop live signals here on gold and other currency pairs, and then we do live trading. Guys. We do live trading. So you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, guys. G-Jad, gold will buy today. Do you mean gold will buy or gold will buy? Do you mean that? I don't know. What do you mean? Guys, hit that follow button, hit that follow and like button. Please, I want to do mentor, bro. I am always here on live, alright? Just keep asking your questions. This is the best. This is mentorship, guys. If you have any question on forex, this is it here. Just drop your question in the comment section. I'm going to attend to you. Alright, this is mentorship, guys. Alright, I'm going to explain everything to you live. Alright, so just hit the follow button. Follow me when I'm here live every morning, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT. You're going to see me here. This is 30 minutes time frame. G-Guard, this is 30 minutes time frame. Hit that follow button, guys. You need to follow me. Alright, it's 9 o'clock. Let's head down to USD's. Let me see if there is any signal. Do we have any signal, guys? Do we have any signal? No signal, guys. No signal on USD South African Rand. No signal on USD South African Rand. Alright, guys. It's been an awesome time today. Guys, hit that follow button. Tomorrow, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. GMT, I'm going to be here again. Guys. So you need to hit that follow button to follow me so that you get signals, live signals. So we do live signals here. Alright, so let me type what we have here. We do live signals, live mentorship, live analysis, and freebies. Then we have free education. Yes, guys. So this is what we do. So you need to hit that follow and follow me, guys. Hit that follow and follow me. So this is what we do every morning, guys. So hit that follow button so that you get a notification anytime I'm on live. Alright, guys. Do you have any other question? Drop it in the comment section ASAP. Any other question, drop it in the comment section, guys. Thank you guys for following me. Shamsuddin, thank you for following me. Thank you for following me, guys. Any other question, drop it in the comment section before we leave. Drop in the comment section, guys, before we leave. Bro, like this trading on Jump 10, do you mean synthetic indices? Do you trade deriv? Oh, yes. That is true. It is only deriv that can give you oh, that is true. Only deriv. It is only deriv that you can move $20 to $600. That is true. Yes. So Talon Kingsley, I want you to join me on live tomorrow, and then we are going to analyze Jump 10. All right. Remind me, we are going to analyze Jump 10. Yes, we are going to analyze Jump 10 tomorrow. So join me 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. All right. Make sure you follow me. So tomorrow we are going to analyze. That. All right. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.
Now, on my third count, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Go tap tap. Yes, tap tap. 229, 230, 231. Yes. Very good. Tap 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 tap. Can you please help me to achieve the goal if possible? We want. Thank you, please. Cardi, thank you. So nice. So nice, Cardi, thank you. Okay, so put the treasure box for the community. Let's do this. Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you. Audrey, thank you. Audrey, thank you for helping me. Thank you, Audrey. Thank you. What's your favorite color? What is your favorite color, guys? What is your favorite color? Blue. What is your favorite color? Jay, welcome back. Kade. God, thank you. Yeah. Thank you for your potato.
So thank you. Alright, if you're just joining us live, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hit that follow button because they sell course on the long run. You guys continue yourself. Okay, so I'm not saying that selling course is bad. Alright, but let me tell you.
Guys, let's go.
They sell course on the
Position
long
number
run.
20,
You
Liga
guys
1.
continue yourself. They sell course on the long run. You guys continue yourself. Okay, so I'm not saying that selling course is bad. They sell course on the long run. You guys continue yourself. So thank you. Alright.
I will be back in 1 minute. Okay, sorry. I will be back in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. We're back. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Thank you. I am Arnaldo Mangini from Italy. I look like Rowan Atkinson, Mr. Good. I'm not Mr. Good. I'm not Rowan Atkinson. I am Arnaldo from Italy. Thank you for your cowboy hat, my friend. Thank you. Arigato. Ayan. Welcome back, Ayan. I am Arnaldo from Italy, and this is my full-time job. And I am a clown, a street performer, comic actor, and this is my full-time job. So again, thank you for being here, watching me, enjoy my live stream, support however you can, tapping, whatever. Thank you again, guys. We are a great and big community. I celebrate 33 million followers on TikTok, and other social are incredibly doing well, and I'm full of joy and very happy. And yeah, let's do magic. I love you guys. Number 20 in Liga 1. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. What is this?
patient. Do not force any symmetry.
This. Thank you for your support, guys. Also there, thank you so.
ṣe every time mo máa wo ṣe fídíò lánàá tí mo tún post ẹ̀ àwọn ọlọ́mọ wọ́n tún ṣe sponsor dad. àwọn bíbí yìí tọ́ màmí máa gbá wọn rí wọn tap thank you so much lọ.
Point of interest are key levels, right? And key levels could be supply demand zones, fair value gaps, and as easy as possible. I don't have signal groups because that's the downfall of every trader. The downfall of your trading career will start from the signal group. It will waste your energy and waste your psychology. What are your expectations about today's news? We are going to see, right? Patience.